video, I'll be using one pack of this and basically my scissors and microchipping. That's all I need for this hairstyle. So I'll be showing you how to make like 5 different styles for this hair. So let's just get straight into the video. So first of all, I get my extension and I get my crochet. So I'm just going to place it in like this. You open it, then you close it back. You hold the hair and you pass it through. In between, you just draw out one part. I'm just going to go straight ahead and start twisting it in. I'm twisting, mind you, it's just basically going around. I don't really like this because it looks like the normal twisting. And it gives me like tough time because guy, I'm doing the normal thing I do, just going to like make it rough. Mind you, I did not drag it. This is what it looks like. Why this end is looking this way is because the end is more rough than the top. So this is what it looks like. You can leave it this way. This is for one. So I started from half of the hair. People leave their hair this way, or you could just go ahead and lock it back. You could just go ahead and twist it back inside. And that's all. So for the second style, this time I'm going to start from the end, from the roots. Okay, it's going to start from the roots. Then the way we did the last time, you lock it, you let it pass through, drag one out. Instead of doing the normal twisting like this, I'm going to be like taking it back, and trying not to like make it tight. Okay, so just using your hand. So for the third style, I'm not going to start it from the roots, but a little bit loose here. I think here is fair. So I'll put this inside, draw one part of it, and shade it into 3. So this is 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm going to just break it. Normal, break it into 3. So you just break it. Just keep on going around. I didn't know that this is going to be kind of harder to use. So at the end, I just come to the end and I twist at the end, just take it up a little bit. You can just go ahead, fix the body, and this is what it looks like. So, what do you say? Fourth one. I twisted it this way, the other one I twisted it this way. This one I had to braid it like into 3, and for this one, it's going to be a very tight twisting actually. So if we have been drawing this, it's going to be longer than what it's not here, just because we are not drawing them. So this is the normal twisting. You can leave it this way, or you could just go back ahead to wrap it again if you want to. So this is for the third style. Next one. So in it here. This is like for the first one. Pick it again. Find another part of the body. You get, and you pass your crochet pin again, like the second part of the body. So go ahead to twist the first one left, because the way I've been twisting it was like, so I'm dragging it. So let me just like release my hand a little bit. Just if you notice, the kinky size I used was like a little bit smaller than the other ones. So you could fix this in between. You could just leave it outside, but I don't like leaving it outside. I think I've seen my nose. These are what I'm going to go for. What do you guys think? This one. This is the one we braided This is the one we twisted, like the normal twisting method. We took it up a little bit, brought it down, and we didn't like fix this in between. I twisted, just leave it that way. And the right twisting, you put like half of the braids and twist it down. Next one, this is the left twisting, and this is the one we like put the boho. We started one from the top and then the other one at the bottom, and then we like use smaller size. What do you think? I think I'm in love with all the styles, but what I love most is this last one. Look at it. I'm so in love with this. I'm going to make this. You guys should tell me what you think about this hair. Thank you very much. See you in my next video. Bye.